Alright guys, how you guys doing today? It's good to be back here again. We're going to be talking about the insecurity in Edo State. A lot is still going on in Edo State. Fulani Herdsmen are currently buying people in Edo State. In fact, to be precise, in Esan Northeast. According to our brother that we're going to be playing the video for you right now. I want you guys to listen to him, how 5 people were banned by Fulani Herdsmen in Esan Northeast just a couple of hours ago. How a lot of them have been chased out of their farmlands. Currently, the state looks like a state that doesn't have a government at all. We've talked about this insecurity that is gradually taking over, not just Edo State, but across the whole state in Nigeria. As you and I know, a lot of killings are currently going on in Plateau State and every other state across Nigeria. It's affecting Edo State, probably affecting your own state, you listening to me right now. But I'd like us to listen to this video, and I have a message to pass to Edo State government, and I have a response for those of you that have called out the monarch of Edo State, and I will respond to all of them holistically. I want you guys to listen to this video, then we'll take it from there.
Good day, my people. I salute everybody. I beg, make una help us share this video, make it reach out to the world, make them know wetin Fulani they do for Esan Northeast, Uromi. Few days ago, Fulani kidnapped 5 people for Ozea. Yesterday, the same Fulani still enter bush, about 13 of them. Enter bush. Our brothers, when they cut wood for inside bush, and so they pursue them. They hold one man, they carry one man enter bush. Now so all of them take run, come take call. Now we take go rescue the ones when if he call. Rescue their machine for night. Search for the other guy, we no fit see him. Me, I want make the world know what did they do to us now. What did they do for our place? 5 people plus another person now 6 in 3 days. This is not right. Federal government, this one not be state government wahala. Federal government, I beg, make una come to our rescue. As una take every power. Take the talk for waiting happen for Uromi that day. Make una still use the same power. Take talk for waiting they happen to us now. People know they feel sleepy. People know they feel sleepy. Everybody they fear. Because of waiting Fulani they do us for inside our own land. This is not fair. This is not right. So, for that girl, when I talked yesterday, when they missing, with our investigation so far, we don't feel traced one boy, Miracle. Then we use another girl to call the house. We reach there, we meet some other girls. At the end of the day, after everything we don't try to find out, the girl slept at Miracle's house that Monday when they don't see the girl again. That Monday, on the 14th of April, when this girl got missing, now Miracle house is sleep. Okay, the girls now, what it can't happen at the end of the day, when they break, they say they wake up, they don't see them again. Where Miracle, they say now that Monday, now Miracle travel. So, we don't feel established. Those girls and Miracle get a lot to explain to the police. What happened to that little girl when I post yesterday. So, now so we don't do. I beg, make una help us. For Esan Northeast, the way Fulani, they terrorize our land, they carry people enter bush, they demand unnecessary fund, may we pay, may they release them. I beg, we need federal government help. Make una come to our rescue. Thank you.
Hello, Mr. NAIJA. Good evening and God bless you. Bless the program you are running there and as many as are contributing positively. I greet your mother to Mom in Diaspora. NAIJA, this very video that you just played now about the Oba of Benin and somebody that was criticizing him should have been something you would have played first on that very program so that people can call in and talk. Now let me ask, you know I'm an Igbo man now, so you know that. So there's no saying about it. But I want to wonder, the way I heard that fellow sound, it sounds like an Edo fellow. But I don't think this is a genuine. This must be a fake Edo. If he does not know the powers of the Oba of Benin, if he does not know who the Oba of Benin is, Who is he and who are the youths of those states that Oba will be consulting with directly? Oba is not a governor. The Oba is not a governor. He's not any commissioner. He's not a minister. Oba of Benin has his chiefs, and these chiefs are representative of the different communities in the whole of Edo State, and they pass messages on to their people. Oba consults with them in anything he wants to do, then he moves on. Oba is not asking you people to contribute money for him to do that project. I can even imagine what he's trying to do there. First and foremost, claiming over 1,000 hectares of land is meaning clearing half of the Edo land of all the miscreants from the Fulani group that are trying to hide here and there, quiet people anyhow. So that is one of the distance. And two, what Oba is doing there, if these people agree to come in and they do that thing, is like creating another portion of Edo State, a new Edo State, where many good meaning Edo people and Nigerians can go and take up accommodation and abroad, and those that want to do farming can do their farming without fear or favor. And these people is going out there also to talk to. I don't want to go saying a lot of things on air. These are Muslims. It speaks volumes, so that the Fulani Muslims also can wake up and know that Islamic religion is not for people to be killing people anyhow, but that if these people can come there to develop that place for the Edo people and Nigerians who will want to enjoy that place later, the Fulani should wake up and get out of those bushes and allow Nigerians to develop their place. It's a shame to Bola Tinubu, but I thank the Oba of Benin for this step he's taking. I hope that those other places where they have Obas, the Obas can also wake up and do the same thing and reclaim part of the lands that all these devilish people had occupied. If they want to do their cattle ranching, they should go back to places where they gave that land for ranching in the north and develop that place. Then they can get their provender from any part of the world. I just want to make this brief listing to let you know that I appreciate this message. This is some of the type of things you should be bringing out, so that people like that clown, that I don't think he's trained. Maybe he does not even know the history of Edo State or the history of the Obas of Edo. If he knows it, he won't open his mouth to say such rubbish as he said about the Oba. God bless you. Oba talk way. Long live the Oba, long live Edo State, long live Nigeria. Thank you.
Now, una don't hear wetin that our Edo brother talk, wetin dey happen for Edo State. Una also hear the message where one of our Igbo elder brother, our papa na very elderly man, na him talk for that audio una listen to. Very elderly man, one of the elderly men wey I dey look up to for this my media, na Igbo man. Na Igbo man wey know himself, wey know tradition, wey know how e suppose be. Una hear wetin he talk. There was a video that circulated yesterday from a guy who questioned the monarch, the Oba of Benin, that why he must go to Dubai to seek or indoctrinate investors to come invest in Edo State. I want to respond to this again. On my live broadcast yesterday, I bitterly responded to those of you trying to disrespect the monarch. Some of you called out the monarch so many times that he doesn't care about how investment can come to Edo State. And I have proof for that. A lot of you for the past couple of years. Now the monarch has started to see how he can put in the effort to bring more investments, real estate investment, and every other investment to Edo State that will be beneficial to you and I. Some of you are still satanically calling out the monarch. I want to ask you, what are you looking for? Why are you calling out the monarch? Because for me, I want you to tell me the wrong that the monarch have done by going all the way to Dubai to indoctrinate an investors. I want to know what he has done wrong. I want to let everybody to know this should be a sounding warning to every one of you. I allow people to express their freedom of expression, freedom of speech, and express their opinionism. But when it comes to my monarch, it is rather better you keep your opinionism to yourself. It doesn't make me a biased person. It doesn't make me being overprotective of my monarch. When it comes to any monarch in Nigeria, I will not allow you to hide under the umbrella of my platform, NAIJA Watch Media, to call out or disrespect any kind of monarch. For those of you that have been following me for a while, I have never and I will never disrespect any kind of monarch in Nigeria. And apart from all that, you should know that many monarchs today bought themselves or bought their way into that seat. In case you don't know, Edo Kingdom, they know they buy monarch. Now from birth. If you don't know history, do your research yourself. They know they buy monarch. Now from birth. Many other monarchs we have today in Nigeria or every other part, yes, now money, now get money. Highest bidder. Now they take that position, which is not my problem. If you are disrespecting your monarch on social media, I will not allow you to disrespect my own monarch. Call out your satanic government. Call out satanic Opebolo. Why are you mentioning my monarch? Call out satanic APC people, Tinubu and all of them, Buhari, all of them that have ruled Nigeria, that messed up Nigeria. Why are you calling my monarch? A monarch that went all the way to see how the state can be better in terms of investment. Some of you are now saying, oh, he should have talked about the insecurity. He should have talked. He's talking. He talked throughout Governor Obaseki's tenure. Nobody listened to him. And he has started talking now. Nobody listening to him. Some of you hiding under your computer speaking garbage. I want to give you a platform today. If you know you are strong, you have two heads, come into my platform. Open your camera big wide. Then pass your opinion. I will allow you. I will cut that part of your message. We will repost it. Let people see you the way that they see me so. Don't hide inside darkness and be saying, monarch should have done it this way. He should have not done it this way. Whereas you that is talking, coward, you are hiding yourself. Bring yourself out. I will offer my platform. Come to NAIJA Watch. Bring yourself out. Pass the message. We will make you trained. So that they look for person will know that they look for. You hide. Some of you say you be a dope people. You carry your own monarch. Go inside circle where people, the same people that doesn't have respect for their monarch, unagata they judge your own monarch. What a shame to you. I know many of you might not like this video that I'm doing today, but I'm not interested. As far as I'm concerned, after God, the way I was brought up, after God Almighty, the second God that I have on earth is Oba of Benin. Yes, you might not like it. Then look for a train that is moving. Jump on it. Simple. Stay away from my monarch. Is there anything wrong with that? My monarch went to indoctrinate an investor to come and invest. Is there anything wrong with that? Please, please, let's talk about the insecurity that is eating up or eating Edo State or rather Nigeria as a whole right now. I don't like to disrespect anybody. But when it comes to my monarch, you and I might become enemy. Unfortunately, we might. If the monarch is doing anything wrong, there's nothing wrong in telling your father, oh daddy, I don't like her like it. Not in a disrespectful manner. Why must you support that satanic video? That satanic boy calling out the monarch. Are you aware that Edo is the oldest kingdom in Nigeria? It not be sea finish. Why must they add Edo State inside Nigeria? Are you aware Benin Kingdom have been in existence before Nigeria came into trend? What are we talking about? They put us under inside Nigeria. Let this all see finish go ahead. They happen now. Please don't talk about my monarch like that. Thank you very much, guys. This is where I'll end this video. Join us every day on NAIJA Watch platform. 7 p.m. Nigerian time. Let's continue to talk about the things that are affecting you right now. Let's focus on our satanic government. If we have the rightful government, every monarchy will be structured. Every traditionalism will be structured. Every religionism will be structured. So the problem starts from top. Thank you very much, guys. Take care and bye for now.